Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your account settings on Webull, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your account settings on Webull, start by launching the Webull app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the menu icon, typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to reveal additional options. Scroll down until you find the Settings option and select it. In the Settings menu, locate the Account section. Tap on Account to access your account settings. Here, you will find various customizable options related to your account. To back up your settings, look for the Export Settings option. Select Export Settings to initiate the backup process. You may be prompted to choose a format for your backup file. Choose the preferred format and confirm your selection. Next, select where you would like to save the backup file on your device. Once you've chosen the save location, tap on Save to complete the backup. Your account settings are now backed up, and you can access them whenever needed. If you wish to restore your settings in the future, you can do so from the same Settings menu. This process ensures that your account preferences are secure and easily recoverable. Now you have successfully backed up your account settings on Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.